I'm expecting from this race is to lose weight.
But what experience it was mind-blowing.
It was so exhausting.
It's good. I had fun, and it's a different kind of fun. It's good fun, but also very painful. So